So guys, this is the wig. I had my friend make this wig for me. Actually, this was 3 bundles and a 5x5 closure from Kendra, and she just made the wig for me, and I just bleached and customized it, and now I'm gonna install it, and you guys are gonna watch me install it. This is 26 inches. This is their straight hair, I think, and this is a 5x5 closure wig. I bought bundles from Kendras boutique, and I had my friend make a wig for me. She made the wig for me, and I did dye and customize the hair myself. I dyed it like a blue black. I mixed blue black and natural black together, and I just customized the front. I bleached the knots, and I just put my foundation over it. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and install this for you guys. This is 26 inches, like I was saying before. I'm pretty tall, but Kendra's 26 inches is really long. I don't know if you guys see it, but it's really long. I am 5'8", so this is really long. Her 26 inches. I love Kendra's hair. Like, honestly, I have no complaints. Like, I've been wearing her hair for years, and it's pretty expensive, but it's really worth it. The quality of her hair is amazing. I really don't mind spending my coins on it because I have the hair for a very long time, so it is what it is. But yeah, so let's just go ahead and install this hair. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see the end results. So like I was saying, I already went ahead and plucked the front, the closure, I'm sorry. This is the closure. I already went ahead and plucked it, and I added my foundation. I did go ahead and just cut off the little flaps, like, you know, the little double flaps on the side. So I went ahead and cut that off because that would be annoying. My last wig that I did, I left the flaps kind of, I mean, I cut it off, but like I didn't cut it off all the way, and it's kind of annoying because it kind of makes that part like lumpy. So I made sure like I cut it off before I put the wig on my head. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and lay the wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it. I'm actually not doing glue because for my closures I don't really do glue. I just spray it with the free spray. I'm gonna go in with this Got To Be like high instant hold. I like this because it really dries you really fast. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my hair with this, and yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and spray. So before the spray completely dries, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the lace off actually, and, with a razor. So I'm gonna need to be close to do this, so I'm just gonna bring my mirror over here, and I'm kind of gonna be turned to the side because my camera is right there, but kind of gotta see. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray this, cut this in a jagged like way, because if you cut it straight, like, your lace is easily detectable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this and just cut that lace off. So bear with me, take your time. There's no rush, girl, because you don't want to fuck this part up. So make sure you take your time and cut it off as close as you can to your hairline. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the hair, spray the hairline again before I put the elastic band. Ooh. And I'm just gonna go ahead and add my elastic band. Now that elastic band is on, I'm just gonna go ahead and use my hot iron and just like flatten out the top of the hair. I did already do it before I put the wig on, just to like get my middle part, because I wanted a middle part and I wanted it to be right. I wanted it to be perfect and straight, so I did it before I put it on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and Now I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the elastic band and just take out the baby hairs I want to cut. Ooh, look how melted that is. Yes, baby. Ew. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take out the baby hairs I want to use. Need those. I'm actually gonna hot comb those down since now that I have separated the baby hairs, I'm just gonna go ahead and pluck a little bit of the baby hairs because I don't want it to be too thick. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my tweezer and just pluck some of it. Just a little bit, not too much. I'm just gonna go ahead and take the razor and just cut the baby hair. Now that I have cut that, I'm just gonna go in with my, I think this is a 1/2 inch flat iron, and just go ahead and curl that baby hair because it makes it easier to do. Oh shit. And you go curl inward, under, upward, under. I mean, it doesn't matter. It's still gonna lay the baby hairs the same way. Go ahead and take my Nairobi foaming lotion with my edge brush. Who's that? With my edge brush, and just go ahead and lay those baby hairs. This Garnier Fructis Slick and Shine. This like works wonders. Like if you want your hair to be silky straight, girl, just put this on it. Just be looking nice, shiny, and straight. So I'm gonna just go ahead and literally a little goes a long way, so you don't need that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this much. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. So this is what this is how I ended up having my hair, or leaving my hair. I did do the baby hairs, but I didn't really like it. I kind of saw, if you follow Jada Wada on Instagram, I kind of saw she had like this nice like jet black long, I think hers was like 34 inches, and she didn't have any baby hairs to it, and the wig just looked so nice and clean. And I was like, okay, let me try that. So I really like the way it looks. Like, I know my forehead looks humongous, but whatever. Pretty girls have big foreheads, or girls with big foreheads are pretty, but whatever. But yeah, so with that being said, this is the end of this video. If you enjoy videos like this, or if you would like to see me do more videos like this on my channel, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and also leave me a comment down below, maybe with any questions you have, anything you want to ask me in regards to how I customized this wig, or what products I used, and whatever you want to ask me, just go ahead and leave it down in the comments down below. And yeah, I really enjoyed doing this video for you guys, and I'm definitely gonna be bringing more videos like this to my channel, more hair videos, more fashion vlogs, and yeah, I'm just excited about the new year because I have so much content that I want to put out, so many things. I'm kind of just gonna focus my channel on beauty stuff, which I see that people really do enjoy, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. But I don't want to keep rambling and have the end of this video being too long, so I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.